trying and fighting, sitting in the corner trying to figure out life, and I'm going insane. All these thoughts in my cortex got me caught in the vortex. Now I'm in oblivion, I gotta find my way out, but it's like I won't, so I just walk amongst the shadows and I'm cold. This I know, but it's the way that I choose to be. I don't trust a single soul, not even me, and it's melancholy, but that's the way it is until the light seeps in. Enlightenment, wisdom from higher stratospheres. I'm not from here, I'm trying to get there because that's where I belong. I am scarred and I know I need to soar, and it's so damn hard because people are always coming down and trying to tell me, nah, you cannot be that you're not everything you think you are. You better stop, and I say, nah, I am who I am, and I am scarred. Prime 23, got a life, got a heart, breathe. Here I am, here I stand now. Gotta be somebody. How? Work, grind, strive, study, learn, be careful what you do and what you choose, because you don't got to, you only got